We just removed the siding over here, and as you can see, they terminated this roofing membrane. They just tucked it under the siding. The siding is not your solution to keep water out of your house. That is the outermost layer that is holding up over time to the sun and keeps direct exposure of the house's envelope. But you can see they have foam board, some aluminum flashing, maybe from the old roof that was here before that started to break down, and they have another layer of siding, looks like, back here, and a piece of trim right up against the chimney. And then what they did, they thought was going to keep the water out, is just run a bead of silicone right here, and we don't have to worry about wind and rain driving water back behind in these gaps into the house. So you can see right here, that is into the house right there. That is the roof, or the framing of the window, that's gone. And the siding, old siding that was here is broke down. The old sheathing is gone, and all the water that came down this window, made its way into the crack here, is right into the house and into the living room downstairs. So as we wait for supplemental insurance things to get approved, we're trying to get the exterior of the house closed back up. And as you can see, we're using the zip system. So this system I have yet to see being used in Moore County, but I think it's going to be commonplace, and I plan on only using it on my projects because it is a superior system, and it has a fully adhered waterproof membrane on the surface of the sheeting. So there will be no Tyvek required, no any waterproofing. You just use a special tape to do the seams, and we are going to terminate the roof here into it and liquid flash where it hits, and do the sill of the window, all the edges. And as you can see, we are doing a full sheet. This wasn't on this before, but we're doing a full sheet against the masonry with no seams behind the chimney at all. So this portion of the house will be completely waterproof at the sheeting material. So we're gonna have to be smart about how we adapt this to the existing corner, because obviously we're not gonna make this entire house use this new technology, but we want to get what is practical to make sure that this exposed face and everything that we touch is going to last a long time. So look for more videos as we continue to employ the system, and we will show you about this, because in my opinion, this is one of the things that is one of the corners that is cut most consistently throughout our trades right now, making sure that the envelope of the house, the sealing of the windows, the insulation, everything is done well. And we will never use an inferior envelope or insulation on anything that we touch.